This Ninja Ceramic Pro 10-piece cookware set is designed for home cooks who want the confidence of non-toxic materials without giving up the durability, heat performance, and convenience traditionally associated with premium non-stick cookware. Developed by Ninja, this cookware collection reflects a growing shift towards safer cooking surfaces while directly addressing the most common complaints about ceramic cookware, such as weak non-stick performance and poor longevity. From everyday meals to high-heat searing, this set aims to deliver professional-level reliability in a design that feels modern, refined, and built for long-term use. What immediately sets the Ninja Ceramic Pro apart is its Ceramic Pro promise, which focuses on eliminating PTFE, PFOA, and other harmful chemicals without compromising cooking performance. Unlike many ceramic-coated pans that prioritize safety at the expense of durability, this set uses a titanium-infused ceramic coating that is deeper embedded into the cooking surface. This design allows the cookware to withstand higher heat, more aggressive cleaning, and even metal utensil use, while still maintaining smooth food release. For buyers who have previously been disappointed by ceramic pans losing performance after a short period, this construction directly targets that frustration. Heat performance is one of the strongest advantages of this cookware set, largely due to its thick 4mm heavy-gauge aluminum base. This foundation distributes heat evenly across the cooking surface, eliminating hot spots that can cause uneven browning or burning. Whether you are cooking delicate sauces, sautéing vegetables, or searing proteins at high temperatures, the cookware responds predictably and consistently. The ability to sear at levels comparable to hybrid stainless systems makes this set especially appealing for cooks who want crisp edges and deep flavor development without switching to heavier cookware. Durability is a defining characteristic of the Ninja Ceramic Pro cookware, and it stands out clearly when compared to standard ceramic alternatives. The surface is engineered to be significantly more scratch-resistant and scrub-resistant than many competing ceramic sets, making it suitable for daily use in busy households. Being metal utensil safe removes a layer of anxiety that often comes with non-stick cookware, allowing cooks to focus on technique rather than protecting the surface. Warp resistance further enhances long-term reliability, ensuring the pans maintain flat contact with the stovetop over years of use. Versatility is another area where this cookware set excels. It is compatible with all major stovetop types, including gas, electric, glass ceramic, and induction, which makes it a future-proof investment for kitchens that may change over time. The pots and pans are also broil-capable up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing seamless transitions from stovetop to oven for finishing dishes. This flexibility expands cooking possibilities and reduces the need for multiple cookware types, streamlining the kitchen experience. The inclusion of flat, fitted tempered glass lids adds both practicality and aesthetic appeal. These lids provide clear visibility during cooking without lifting, which helps retain heat and moisture while preventing unnecessary interruptions. Their low-profile design improves storage efficiency, an often overlooked benefit in cookware sets. The British racing green finish further enhances the visual appeal, offering a sophisticated and distinctive look that stands out from traditional black or stainless cookware, while still feeling timeless rather than trendy. From a health and safety perspective, the Ninja Ceramic Pro cookware is built to reassure cautious buyers. The non-toxic coating is designed without lead, cadmium, or PFAS chemicals, aligning with modern expectations for safe cooking environments. This makes the set particularly appealing to families, health-conscious individuals, and anyone transitioning away from traditional nonstick surfaces. Knowing that the cookware does not release harmful fumes at high temperatures adds peace of mind during everyday cooking. Cleaning and maintenance are refreshingly straightforward, which contributes to consistent use over time. The ceramic surface releases food easily, reducing the need for excessive oil and making cleanup faster. Dishwasher-safe construction adds convenience for busy households, although hand washing can further extend the life of the nonstick surface. Unlike many ceramic pans that require delicate care, this set is designed to tolerate real-world use without constant worry. The long-term value of this cookware set is reinforced by Ninja's 10-year guarantee on the cooking surface when used as directed. This warranty reflects confidence in the durability of the ceramic coating and provides reassurance for buyers investing in a premium set. Instead of viewing the cookware as disposable, Ninja positions it as a long-term kitchen foundation that can handle evolving cooking habits and increasing demands. Pros: the Ninja Ceramic Pro Cookware Set delivers a rare balance of non-toxic safety and high-performance durability. The titanium-infused ceramic coating offers strong non-stick performance while remaining metal utensil safe and highly scratch-resistant. Even heat distribution, induction compatibility, oven safety up to 550 degrees, and a refined visual design make this set versatile and practical for everyday and advanced cooking alike. Cons: while highly durable for ceramic cookware, maintaining peak non-stick performance still benefits from mindful care compared to stainless steel. The premium construction and advanced coating may be more than needed for users who cook only occasionally or prefer ultra-lightweight pans. Final verdict: the Ninja Ceramic Pro 10-piece cookware set is an excellent choice for home cooks who want safer materials without sacrificing durability, heat performance, or ease of use. It successfully addresses the common weaknesses of ceramic cookware while delivering a refined and dependable cooking experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the Ninja Ceramic Pro set belongs in your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.